What's going on, everybody? It's Trevor from Adventure Built, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on my tool bag. You're a tool bag! Not wrong. I've got the Atlas 46 Yorktown tool bag, whichever, right here. This is an awesome tool bag. It holds a ton of tools and everything in here, and it rolls up into a nice compact bag. Undo the buckle, opens up nice and wide. On the inside portion, you have 5 pockets. In here, I keep all of the main tools that I use. In this pocket, I have all of my electronics. In this pocket here, I keep most of my little electronics, fittings, and everything else. Some shrink wrap, extra wire, Allen wrenches, and electrical tape, little things like that. This pocket, I keep all of my pliers, wire snips. Get away from me. Always carry some RTV just in case you need to make some seals or anything like that. Always great to have. Screwdriver. In this pocket, I have my 1/4-inch drive sockets and wrench, all my little ones. And then I also have this tool right here. This tool is really cool. It's a Crescent wrench. It has special wrenches that go on the inside. They can go either way, and they're open-ended. So it's a multi-tool pipe wrench, adjustable wrench, all in one. It's kind of a very cool tool to have. In this pocket, I keep all my larger sockets, and I always make sure to keep the shallow and deeps as well. In this pocket, I keep more adjustable wrenches, file, always a good thing to have, and of course, my travel torque wrench. And there's also a breaker bar, which is super duper handy. And then flip it over.
Don't mind my table.
Yeah, it's okay. And here I keep all of my standard wrenches. I go from a 9mm up to an 18 on that side, and there's still room for a few more. And then on this side, I keep my 10mm to 19mm ratcheting adjustable heads. And I only keep metric in here because the Forerunner is all metric, so there's no real point to have standards in there unless I want to help somebody else out. And a lot of times you can find a, like similar sized heads and everything on both ends.
Yeah, screw those Jeep guys.
I don't want to help a Jeep guy. No. One of the great things about a tool roll is that you grab this strap and it just closes everything up, and then you can snap it and you're ready to go. You can carry it like this, or you can use the shoulder strap as well. This is super durable. It's been over a year and it still looks pretty good shape besides being dirty. No frays or loose ends or anything coming out on it. The color, there is a specific reason that I went with this color. It's available in a multitude of colors, but I figured if I am working outside of my vehicle, I want to be seen. So this will just help me be a little bit more visible when my tool bag is on the side of the vehicle, if we're on the side of a road or a trail, because things never break in daylight and when it's in good visibility. It always seems to break in darkness or in bad weather. So just having a little bit of extra visibility out there is really helpful in my opinion. As far as dimensions go, 16 inches by 9.5, and it's about 5.5 inches tall. And it is not fully loaded. There's still room in a lot of the pockets. This thing weighs a whopping 31.5 pounds. Yeah! And that is still kind of heavy because there is a lot of redundancy when it comes to the wrenches having same sizes with both. But there's a lot of times I feel that you need, you know, the same size wrench on both ends. Same with the sockets. Do you need, you know, deep and standard sockets for the same size? That is where I think I definitely have maybe a little too much redundancy. You know, I've got 3/8, ½ inch, shallow, deep, so there's a lot of sockets in here, and I still have room. So maybe that's kind of thing, but honestly, it's peace of mind when it comes to tools. That way, if something does go missing, because inevitably you will lose something along the way through time, I always have a backup in some sort. So with this, you can't go wrong, especially when I'm taking my family solo into the backcountry. Peace of mind. So I will add a little extra weight for peace of mind. A bulk of the tools that I use are Husky, but there's a whole bunch of mixed bag in here. Mixed bag. We'll put a link in the description below of our favorite tools. A link to this item will be down below in the description, so if you want to check it out, go ahead and click on that. All in all, the Atlas 46 is a great tool roll. Super happy with it, and a bonus, it's made in America, so supporting local. Thanks for watching. Click like, hit subscribe. Have a great day. And
Allen wrenches.
Allen wrenches, my God. I work on trucks, I swear. This is my
½ inch.
The bulk of the tolls.
Trolls?
Trolls. 3/4 inch. Is that right?
Nope. ½ inch drive.
It's ½ inch in my other one. What's the other one? 3/8. Jeez. I'm a mechanic. 3/8 and ½ inch. No.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Doesn't sound right. All right. So 3/4. Did I say 3/4?
You said 3/4.
3/4 inch.
Oh, 3/8.
Dang it!
3/4.
Why am I messing up numbers?
I would just say larger sockets.
Yeah. Peace.
Thanks, sir.